Did you know your regular vacuum is blowing dirty air right back into your room? Imagine a home where every breath feels cleaner, where dust, allergens, and stale air are whisked away, not blown back into the room. A central vacuum system is a game changer. The system is a built in cleaning powerhouse. The motor lives quietly in your garage or basement, connected to hidden pipes in your walls. You simply plug in a lightweight hose, and the powerful suction pulls dirt, dust, and allergens straight out of your living space, sending them to a sealed canister far away. Unlike portable vacuums, central vacuums don't recirculate dusty air back into your home. The result? Fresher air, fewer allergens, and a healthier space for the people you love most. Because a truly clean home isn't just what you see, it's what you breathe. Central vacuums mean more power, less hassle, and a healthier home. Ready to breathe cleaner?